When you search for the best fifth wheel hitches, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, BOYISEN Kingpin Lock. The BOYISEN fifth wheel Kingpin Lock really caught my eye. Priced at $43.10, this robust anti-theft solution is designed to keep your RV, semi-trailer, or camper secure. If you want peace of mind while you're away, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this lock is its heavy-duty construction made from solid steel, which means it's tough enough to withstand weather and break-in attempts. It features a unique keyed design, so you won't have to worry about someone else having the same key. It comes with 3 keys for convenience, and the high-visibility yellow color is a nice touch. This lock also has a handle for easy operation, making it more user-friendly than other models. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With this pin lock, you're not just purchasing a lock, you're investing in the security of your valuable assets. No one wants to come back to find their trailer missing, especially when it's packed with gear. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it doesn't fit all kingpins perfectly. Here's the thing though, as long as you check the dimensions before you buy, it shouldn't be an issue. This is still a solid choice for anyone looking to protect their trailer or RV. This is perfect for you if you own a trailer and often park it in unsecured lots. Skip this one if you have a very specific kingpin lock setup that it may not fit. For the price, it's a strong investment in security. Now, if the concern about fit bothers you, the next product on our list might actually be even better for avoiding wear and tear. Product number 2, fifth wheel hitch lube plate. Next up is the fifth wheel hitch lube plate from Scotch & Pro, priced at just $11.78. This isn't just any plate, it's designed to protect your hitch from friction and wear, which is essential for smooth towing. If you want to save yourself from messy grease and maintain your hitch's condition, this is worth your attention. This lube plate is made of high-density polyethylene, which means it's wear-resistant and mess-free compared to traditional greasing methods. It's easy to install, fitting snugly onto your fifth wheel kingpin without the need for tools. The 10-inch diameter provides ample coverage to ensure that your hitch is well protected during those long hauls. Here's why this matters for you. By using this lube plate, you can extend the life of your hitch and prevent costly repairs down the line. Many users rave about how it saves time and hassle compared to dealing with grease. Some users mention that it doesn't fit all hitch models perfectly, which can be a concern. But honestly, if you double-check the specifications before buying, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for most standard setups. It's a small price to pay for such a valuable piece of equipment. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, mess-free way to maintain your hitch. Skip this one if you have an uncommon hitch setup that may not be compatible. For under $12, it's a smart investment in your towing gear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is a lifting hook that can really simplify your towing experience. Product number 3, fifth wheel lifting hook. Next on the list is the fifth wheel lifting hook from TNCZHYLX, retailing for $12.67. This lifting bracket can handle up to 500 pounds, which makes it a reliable choice for heavy towing. If you're tired of struggling with lifting and installing your fifth wheel hitch, this is definitely worth a look. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability, which is a big plus for anyone on the move. Plus, installation is a breeze, just connect the hook to your fifth wheel clamp and you're ready to go. This matters for you specifically because lifting and installing your hitch can be a frustrating task. With this lifting hook, you can save time and energy, making your towing setup a whole lot smoother. Now, some users pointed out that it may not work with every single truck model. But here's the thing, if you have a standard setup and check the compatibility, you should be just fine. It's not a major concern for the average user. This is perfect for you if you want to make hitch installation and removal easier. Skip this one if you have a very specialized truck that requires a different lifting solution. For the price, you're getting a lot of value for what it offers. Now, if you're looking for more lifting solutions, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, replacement fifth wheel pins and clips. Coming in strong, we have the replacement fifth wheel pins and clips from compatibility, priced at $17.63. These pins and clips are essential for securing your fifth wheel hitch to the base rail. If you need a reliable way to ensure your hitch stays in place, this is a must-have. These pins are made of durable metal with a powder-coated finish to prevent rusting, ensuring longevity. They're designed to fit various fifth wheel legs and gooseneck hitches, which adds to their versatility. With 4 pins and clips included, you'll have backups ready when you need them. Why is this important for you? Securing your hitch properly is crucial when towing, as it ensures stability and safety on the road. Plus, the grooved design allows for easy insertion, making installation quick and efficient. However, some reviews mention that these pins can be a bit tricky to insert in certain conditions. But I'll be real with you, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you'll find they work just fine for most setups. It's a small inconvenience for the level of security they provide. This is perfect for you if you want reliable security for your hitch without hassle. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty locking solution, as these are more for standard use. For under $20, they offer excellent value for peace of mind. Now, if you need even more options for lifting and towing, the last product on our list really delivers. Product number 5, RULLINE Lifting Hook. Finally, we have the RULLINE fifth wheel lifting hook, priced at $19.27. This lifting bracket is designed for ease of use and can also handle a weight capacity of about 500 pounds. If you want a straightforward solution for lifting your fifth wheel, this one's worth considering. Constructed from high-quality steel, this hook is not only durable but also resistant to wear. It fits standard kingpin openings, making it easy to use with most setups. The installation process is user-friendly, requiring minimal effort to connect to the fifth wheel hook. What's great about this is that it simplifies the often cumbersome process of lifting and moving your trailer. It's designed to make your towing experience more efficient, which is something every trailer owner can appreciate. On the downside, some users felt that it could be heavier for their liking. But honestly, the weight contributes to its stability and durability, so it's not a deal-breaker in my opinion. It's still a fantastic investment for anyone looking to make towing easier. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable lifting solution for your fifth wheel. Skip this one if you prefer something even lighter for transport. For the price, it's a solid buy for its durability and effectiveness. So there you have it, 5 solid options for fifth wheel hitches. The BOYISEN lock offers security, while the lube plate keeps everything running smoothly. The TNCZHYLX and RULLINE hooks simplify installation, and the compatibility pins ensure your hitch is secure. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you before deciding. Happy towing!